Hi guys, it's Sam. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm filming yet again my annual decorating for Christmas vlog really early. So I don't know about you guys, but me personally, I love decorating for Christmas early. It literally just makes me so happy, and that's really all that matters in my head. I want to be happy. I want to have a very nice space for my new apartment. It's also my first time ever decorating my whole apartment for Christmas because I just moved out of my house and this is my first apartment. So that makes this video even more important to me. But with all that being said, I have to kind of like undecorate for fall and then decorate everything for Christmas. So I wanted to take you guys along with me. If you haven't watched any of my apartment videos or my Christmas videos that I already posted, I'll have them linked down below so you can catch up and kind of like see the whole process of everything that I'm talking about if you are interested. I did a whole Christmas haul of everything that I got, so if you're wondering where I got everything, just go to that video. But with all that being said, let's get into this video and decorate for Christmas. Right now it's October 30th and I like to post my Christmas video on November 1st because it just makes me so happy. So let's just do it. That is a overview of what my apartment looks like with everything with fall right now, and I'm going to right now take everything from fall down and switch out to my Christmas stuff. So right now, first thing I have to do is undecorate for fall. I just took all my fall decorations down and now I have my Christmas stuff in here. I'm going to take that all out and put the fall away and then start putting the Christmas out. Everything away that's fall, and I took all my Christmas stuff out as you guys saw, and now I think I'm going to set up this table right here. So basically what I'm going to do, I think, is have a little Christmas tree, this one right here, on top of the table, decorate it with some ornaments, and then have like smaller Christmas trees next to it, and then just have some decor on the table as well. Not sure if it's gonna look right because like this is my first time in this apartment, so I have to see what I actually like by like actually doing it first. So that's what I'm going to try out right now, and we'll see how it goes.
Where we don't end up together.
That did not work, so I'm gonna try something else now because that looked awful.
I'm gonna ask my love to marry me on Christmas Day this year.
I just did that table out there, and now I'm going to decorate this little ladder behind me. Again, I'm not really sure how I want it to look. I am really trying to make it look really cute, but also I want it to have like a certain theme to it. So I'm just gonna try a lot of things out and we'll see what happens. This little pillow and this blanket, and I'm going to decorate my bed with it, and then I also have another pillow that I'm going to put on my desk chair just to make it like kind of cute. So this is the blanket. This is from Target. It's so soft, and the pillow is also from Target.
Cold enough to make you shiver, but not cold enough to snow. Cold enough to know it's winter, perfect time to say our first hello. Scarves and sweaters bundled up in cotton, knowing names that wouldn't be forgotten, laughing over our own sense of humor underneath the Christmas lights that glow. I'm glad I got to know you better. We've come so far since that December.
I just finished decorating and I am really happy with the the way it turned out. I think it looks really, really nice. Although I do want to say, I do want to get Christmas lights still and a big Christmas tree, but I wanted to get this video up for November 1st because it's what makes me happy. But basically, I'm really excited to show you guys the final product, and let's just get to it. I didn't do a official apartment tour yet, and this isn't my official apartment tour because my apartment isn't completely done yet, but this is just like a sneak peek, I guess, so stay tuned for that coming up soon. But let's get into this little tour. Starting out here, I have this little wreath. I really like it, and I think it's really, really cute, so I have that on my door. When I come into my apartment, I have this little Merry Christmas countdown little thing, and I really like doing this because it gets me really excited for Christmas. Then I have this little table right here, so let's go through the table really quick. The lights from Target. I have these little reindeer, which are also from Target, and then I have this snowman. This snowman I love so much. It's from Target, as well as these little pink trees. I think they look adorable. And then I have this little candle that one of my friends got me, and it's from White Barn, and it smells so good. So that's what this table looks like. Coming up here, I have this little circle mirror, and it's from IKEA. I really, really like it and would definitely recommend it. Then on top of my fridge, I have that little white reindeer and a plant that my grandma got me, and I think it looks really cool with that little eat sign and the little LED red lights behind it. Coming over here, I'm not going to go through everything that's in my kitchen because that will be in the official apartment tour, but I have this little candle, and it is a cinnamon joy candle. When I tell you guys it smells so good, I'm literally obsessed with it. And again, I think it looks really good with all of the like red LED lights. Then I have this little tree, which is from Target. It's gold, and I think it looks really cute. And then I have that little tree as well, and it's from Home Goods. I love it. Over here on my like table little counter, I have a Christmas tree and just a little candle, and then the pots and pans are down here as well. On my little windowsill right here, I have this little truck, and this is a truck from Target, and it's like a little Christmas tree truck, and I really like it. Then I have this little flower girl that my mom got me that I really like. I have another countdown till Christmas, and I like this one as well because you can like switch the blocks, which I think is cool. And then over here, I have a snow globe, a little angel, and then this was for New Year's. My mom got it for me, and I really, really like it. Coming over here, I have a plant. I love plants, and I think that adds such a good staple to the apartment, so I have that. I have a little bubble candle. I was going for the pastel theme, so that's why I have that. I have two little houses. These are like little Christmas decor houses that I got from Target. I really like them. And then I have a cereal candle. Over here, I have another plant, and then just another candle that I got from Etsy. Then I have my little Christmas plant over here, and I really like it because of the cherries that are in it. I think it looks adorable. I have another little house. I'm not sure if this is gonna stay here, but that's where I put it for now. I have this little board that says Smile More. I love it. And then I have my Amazon Alexa. When Christmas comes closer, I think I'm going to put Christmas lights like around my windowsill to make it look a lot more Christmassy and nicer. Now we are coming over to my desk. I have a full desk tour up on my channel if you guys wanna go check that out, but this is what it looks like. So I have this little lamp, and we can actually switch the colors on it, and this will make it like change to all different colors, which I think is really cool. Then I have a candle that my friends got me, and just some like desk decor. So I have a pencil holder, I have my computer on a laptop stand, this really cute aesthetic keyboard, and the mouse. Then over here, I have my essential oil diffuser and just a cute little reindeer that I thought added a lot to the desk. And then I have this chair, which is from Amazon, and a pillow on it to make it more like Christmassy, which is from Target. Then I have my little Christmas tree right here, and this is from Target. It's a mini Christmas tree, and then I have this skirt on it as well. That's from Target. And then I have a little garland on it, which I think looks really cute. Again, I am gonna get a big Christmas tree, but that's just for now, and I think it looks cute there. And then that is under my TV. Next, I have my bed. I am obsessed with my bed. So this blanket is from Target. I love the Christmas trees, and it's really, really soft. Then to add some spice to my bed, I also have a Christmas tree pillow, which I really like. And then my bed decor is from Amazon. That pillow right there, the butterfly one, is from Urban Outfitters. Same with that one. My like couch pillow that I used to edit is from Target. And then Chad got me that Squishmallow for my birthday. All right, now we're gonna come over here. So I have my mirror, and on top of my mirror, I just have some like snowballs, and I got them from Target. Then we have my little nightstand. So this my grandpa made for me a while ago, and I keep it because it just reminds me of him, and it makes me happy when I see it. Then I have this little skylight. I really like it. It like projects light on my ceiling at night, and it looks amazing. Then I have this little cup, and it says Be Merry on it, and I filled it with ornaments, which I think looks really cute. I have this little plant, which I really like, and then I have that mushroom lamp, which is from Urban Outfitters. And the cool thing about this is, watch. Alexa, turn light to red. and then it makes my light red, and I think that's so cool and adds the Christmas theme, and you can do it to any color that you want. Then I have these little shelves up here. So starting at the top shelf, I have a plant, which my boyfriend's mom got for me. I have 2 Christmas trees, which are from Target. I have another plant, the blue little plant right there, which my boyfriend's mom got for me. I think it's from TJ Maxx. I have a little candle, which is from At Home, and then a little sign that says Better Not Pout, which is from Target, and then like a leaf hanging off of it. Then on this little shelf right here, I have a tree, which I think is cool because of the white that's on it. I really like the frost. I have a green bubble candle and the letter S, and then I have my iconic pink heart mirror, which I'm obsessed with. On these doors, I have 2 stockings. So this is Chad's stocking. Chad doesn't live here, just to clarify. However, we are gonna have Christmas here, so I wanted to get him a stocking, and then I have my stocking over here, and I really like this one as well. Then we come into my bathroom. In my bathroom, I have this little plant right here. This is again from Target, and again, I like the frost and the acorns and the little cherries, and then I have that coral thing, which is from At Home. Then I have this little mirror, and I love this mirror, and I have little vines of leaves above it, and then a little heart that lights up, and it looks really cute. Coming over to my ladder, I decorated it with some green leaves to make it look really nice. So I have a little sand dollar, which reminds me of Florida. I have something that my grandpa made me again, which is really cute, and I really like it. And then I have this Christmas velvet candle. I have this little jar, which I put like Q-tips and stuff in. I have a kindness is everything little picture, and then I have another bubble candle, which is from Amazon. Down here, I have more Christmas stuff. So that's from Target. It's a little Christmas tree car, and then my moon little light, and this lights up, and it's really cool. Then on this shelf, I have another candle. It's a vanilla bean candle. I think it's from White Barn. I have a Christmas tree, and then I have my little Q-tips in here as well, and then I just have some books on the last shelf. With all that being said, that's about it for this video. I really enjoyed decorating my apartment for Christmas. Like I said, it's something that I love. Like I said, this isn't my official apartment tour. There's still a lot of stuff that I have to go into detail about, which I definitely will do. I'll go through all my drawers and where I got everything and stuff like that. But with all that being said, if you liked the video, be sure to comment this emoji down below. Subscribe for more Christmas and apartment content coming soon, and I will see you guys really soon in my next video. Bye guys.